4 companies, 4 real job openings, all hiring in Bangalore right now. HARMAN, ThoughtSpot, Eurofins, Amazon, different roles, different backgrounds. One of these is made for you. Let's go. First one is HARMAN International, a Samsung company. Role is software intern in Bangalore. Duration is 9 to 11 months. Paid. You'll be writing Python automation scripts, doing embedded software testing, and working on real automotive products used globally. Skills needed are Python, C or C++, basics of embedded systems, and testing fundamentals. This is perfect if you're from CSE or ECE and want to enter the automotive tech space. Stipend ranges from 25,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees per month, and top performers get pre-placement offers. Second one is ThoughtSpot. Role is Total Rewards Intern in Bangalore. This is an HR plus data role, very niche, very less competition. You'll work on compensation benchmarking, employee benefits analysis, and support the people team with data-driven decisions. Perfect if you're from HR, MBA, or business analytics background. ThoughtSpot is a premium product startup. This kind of internship puts you in a very different league than typical HR roles. Third one, Eurofins Scientific. Role is intern in Bangalore. And here's the best part. Any degree can apply. You'll support lab operations, IT service delivery, or business process teams depending on your background. This is ideal for anyone who wants to get into life sciences, pharma, or global corporate environments. Very low competition since most people overlook non-tech internships. Great global brand for your resume. Role is Total Reward. You will be the human behind Amazon's AI. Your job is to watch short videos from Amazon's fulfillment centers, robots towing products, and verify or correct what the AI sees. This directly trains Amazon's machine learning models. Key things to know. It's a contract role for 6 months. It's operational, rotational shifts including nights. Work from home option available. Basic qualification is just a bachelor's degree. If you need a job immediately and want Amazon on your resume, this is a real straightforward entry point. No coding needed, just attention to detail and consistency. So to summarize, HARMAN, Python plus embedded testing intern, ECE or CSE, ThoughtSpot, HR plus data intern, MBA or business background, Eurofins, any degree, life sciences and IT exposure, Amazon, any graduate, ML data operations, immediate joining. All links are in the description. Apply today, not tomorrow. Comment below which one you're going for. Like and subscribe for weekly job updates. See you next time.